This recipe surprised everyone with how easy and delicious chicken breast can be. To begin, we'll need 3 chicken breasts. Let's season with salt, black pepper, and spread with our hands on both sides. Let's chop some chive and parsley. We'll move them to a bowl, add 1 carton of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and mix. Let's add salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. We'll set a little bit of this mixture aside. And we'll cover the chicken breasts with the rest. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a frying pan, we'll put some olive oil and we'll fry the chicken. After a while, let's turn them over. And that's our recipe for today. Incredibly delicious, right? Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!